Is the Porsche 996 market about to completely collapse, or are we only going to see a minor dip? When the used car market was going completely crazy, the 996 generation of the Porsche 911 was one of the sports cars that saw the largest percentage of increase combined over the trim levels, with the 996 overall seeing a 55% increase in sales prices. More recently, the market has softened a bit. Prices are still up from before the market started going completely crazy, largely in 2021 and continuing into 2022. However, those looking to sell a 996 may see it take more time to find the right buyer, and examples may sell for a bit less than at the peak. Of course, if you're like me, then you have a lot of patience because you never use any of it. Having said that the market is softening, it is still up from a few years ago when you could find an example in decent condition for under $15,000. Now those same cars can fetch closer to $25,000. The crazy used car market has been one catalyst, but the 996 in general was undervalued compared to other 911 generations, and it was due for an upward swing as had happened to other unloved 911 generations. As Elsa would say, for those that don't love the 996, let it go. At least a portion of the growth is thanks to YouTubers that have talked up the 996 and helped others get past reliability fears. Of course, I'm sure the fact that they may stand to benefit from their comments has nothing to do with anything said in their videos. And I'm even a small part of the issue, and if you'd like me to become an even bigger part, then subscribe to this channel. While values are still up from their lowest point, they have softened recently. Much of this has to do with high inflation and economic uncertainty that has reduced the demand for the 996, further reducing the ability for some to purchase a 996 generation Porsche 911 is rising interest rates. This has made it more difficult for some potential buyers that would need to finance their purchase. Of course, if you need a loan, always borrow money from a pessimist because you won't expect it back. So is the Porsche 996 market about to completely collapse? As an internet expert with a vested interest in the 996 market, I think long-term it's going to continue to grow. This is mainly because we are seeing a bit more love for the 996 these days, and the big known issues can be addressed. Because of this, I think we will be in a dip and a slowdown of the market for the next couple of years. Once confidence in the economy returns, I think that we'll see the market pick up again and continue to grow, although likely at a much slower pace than we've seen fairly recently. The thing is, now that you know that the market has softened, you need to know if a 996 generation Porsche 911 is worth buying. So check out this interrogation of a 996 owner to find out if you should buy a 996.